Okay, we're going to make scones here, and we're going to start with our ingredients. We have a 1/4 cup of butter. We have 3/4 of a cup of yogurt. Usually calls for milk, but we're using yogurt because it gives a better flavor. We have a 1.5 cups of pre-sifted flour, and we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. To that we're going to add a little vanilla, and we're going to add some lovely berry fruit things. I made some berry tea, so it'll go with it nicely. Okay, and we're going to start this by using the S blade. Put that like that, and we're going to add the dry ingredients first. So the flour and the baking soda and the salt. And get the top clean. Weird. Okay, and we're going to put the top on like that, and now we're going to just fluff it up. Now, we're going to add the butter. Okay, this is very cold butter that I've cut up. Okay, add that. And we're going to go like this. We're going to pulse it. Until we come up with something that looks like little beads, and we know that it's all incorporated nicely. Let's see. Yeah, one more time. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to add the yogurt. Yogurt. This is plain yogurt, not flavored, no vanilla, no nothing, just plain old plain yogurt. And we are going to add some vanilla because it's sweet, kind of sweet, so we're going to add a little vanilla. Okay. And now we're going to add the fruit. And now we're going to mix it all up. And again, we're going to pulse. It comes into a nice dough. Okay, now I have a floured surface here. I'm going to take this, push this back. On the floured surface. Okay. Make sure you get all the good parts off the blade. Okay. And we're going to get a little bit that's left in the processor out. Don't forget to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And with clean hands, just kind of put this into a nice ball. Kind of shape it with your hand, like that. And now we're going to put it like this. So it's nice and round, okay? And flatten it a little bit with your hands. And get a pastry cutter. We have our pan ready to go. We're going to cut this into the first cut. Oops. Second cut. Let's see where I'm going here. Like this in half. This in half. This in half. Oops. And finally, last one. And then we're going to put them on the here. And I'm going to be fun and sprinkle them with some fun sugar. I have some fun gold sugar, so I'm going to sprinkle them with a little of that. And no, the sugar will not burn. You could put an egg wash on this if you want. I'm not going to this time. Okay. Now, put your stuff away so you can have a clean kitchen again. And I'm going to put these into my 400-degree oven, and we'll see you in a little bit. Our scones are ready, and we're going to put them on a rack so they can cool. Here they are in all their glory. I don't want to burn myself. So, 1, 2, 3. That one's kind of misshapen, isn't it? Oh well, I'll eat that one. 4, 5, 6, 7, and that one's misshapen too. 8. All right. And 1 little berry. Yum. Hot. Burn my tongue. Oh well. And we're going to let those cool. And then put them on a plate, and they'll be ready to have with our lovely tea. Okay, that's it.